Imagine transforming your backyard into a culinary paradise where you can whip up gourmet pizzas, sizzling steaks, and fluffy pancakes all with a single device. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus is not just another kitchen gadget. It's your passport to a world of delicious possibilities. Whether you're hosting a family barbecue, enjoying a cozy pizza night, or making breakfast al fresco, this versatile appliance promises to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Ready to revolutionize your cooking game? Let's dive into what makes the Cuisinart Pizza Oven Plus a must-have for food enthusiasts everywhere. The standout feature of the Cuisinart Pizza Oven Plus is its versatility. This appliance is designed to perform 3 distinct cooking functions. It's a pizza oven, a griddle, and a grill. The design is sleek and functional, making it easy to switch between these modes. The dual-hinged lid is particularly noteworthy. It functions as a standard grill lid, flipping up and down for grilling and griddling, and includes a drop-down door for the pizza oven, allowing for easy access without significant heat loss. As a pizza oven, the Cuisinart C-Pizza Oven Plus excels. It comes with a 13-inch Cuisinart pizza stone, known for its excellent heat retention and distribution. The stone ensures that the pizza crust cooks evenly, achieving that coveted crispy texture. The oven can reach temperatures of 700 degrees Fahrenheit and higher, which is ideal for cooking pizzas in just 6–8 minutes. The pizza stone is cleverly designed to be slightly raised off the grill surface, allowing for natural convection heat to circulate the pizza, cooking it uniformly. Switching to the griddle or grill modes is a breeze. The cast iron griddle plate measures 17 inches by 13.95 inches, offering 233 square inches of cooking space, while the cast iron grill grate measures 18 inches by 13.5 inches, providing 260 square inches. These surfaces are made of 100% cast iron, ensuring excellent heat retention and durability. Whether you're making pancakes for breakfast or grilling burgers for a barbecue, the Cuisinart Pizza Oven Plus handles it with ease. One of the most impressive aspects of the Cuisinart Pizza Oven Plus 3 is its portability and storage options. Despite its multiple functions, the appliance is compact enough to fit in a car trunk, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or any outdoor gathering. When not in use, the cooking surfaces can be neatly packed away on the integrated storage shelf below the main unit, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Using the Cuisinart Pizza Oven Plus is straightforward, thanks to its thoughtful design. The dual-hinged lid allows for easy access to your food without losing heat, and the clean-touch dirt ejector makes maintenance a breeze. The griddle plate and grill grate are easy to swap out, and the drip cup effectively channels grease away from the cooking surfaces, reducing flare-ups and making cleanup simpler. The appliance is powered by a propane tank, ensuring consistent and reliable heat. The included gas hose fits a standard 20-pound propane tank, so you can cook for extended periods without needing frequent refills. However, it's worth noting that the propane tank is not included with the grill, so you'll need to purchase that separately. Cooking with the Cuisinart Pizza Oven Plus is a delight. The high temperatures achieved by the pizza oven produce restaurant-quality pizzas with perfectly crisp crusts and melted toppings. The griddle is ideal for cooking breakfast foods like eggs and bacon, while the grill is perfect for meats, vegetables, and more. The even heat distribution ensures consistent cooking results, and the spacious cooking surfaces mean you can prepare meals for a small crowd with ease. The build quality of the Cuisinart Pizza Oven Plus is excellent. The cast iron cooking surfaces are robust and designed to last, while the overall construction feels solid and reliable. The appliance is engineered to withstand frequent use and the rigors of outdoor cooking, making it a durable addition to your cooking arsenal. Conclusion: the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus is a versatile, high-performing appliance that brings a new level of convenience to outdoor cooking. Its ability to function as a pizza oven, griddle, and grill makes it a valuable addition to any cooking setup, whether at home or on the go. With its compact design, durable build, and excellent cooking performance, the Cuisinart Pizza Oven Plus is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook outdoors and wants to enjoy a variety of delicious meals with ease. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.